If you've been dreaming about stepping off your balcony and straight into a pool in the Dominican Republic, this video is for you. We're Breathless Punta Cana, and today I'm taking you inside the Junior Suite Swim Out. Hi, I'm Asai, a travel agent specializing in luxury and all-inclusive vacations. Welcome to the Junior Suite Swim Out at Breathless Punta Cana, one of the most sought-after room types at this adults-only resort on the stunning shores of Uvero Alto Beach. Whether you book it as an Allure room or an upgrade to the Xhale Club, the suite itself is exactly the same, and trust me, it does not disappoint. These rooms at Breathless have been recently renovated with a fresh contemporary look, and today I'm walking you through every inch of it. These rooms are a spacious 554 square feet, nice and bright and beautifully appointed. The recent renovation really shows. You've got a vibrant Caribbean-inspired aesthetic with floor-to-ceiling windows and an open concept layout with modern finishes throughout. It does feel fresh, clean, and elevated, and a major step up from what it looked like before. You can choose between a plush king-size bed or 2 double beds. This suite accommodates up to 3 adults, making it a great option whether you're traveling as a couple or a trio. The sleeping area is seriously comfortable. This suite features a modern bathroom with dual rain showers and a sleek double vanity design. And back in the room, you'll notice a daily refreshed mini bar right here. You'll enjoy complimentary Wi-Fi, a Bluetooth speaker, and luxury bath products that are all included as part of the unlimited luxury experience. Now, here's something I want to make clear. If you're deciding between booking this room as an Allure category or upgrading to Xhale Club, the suite itself is identical. Same square footage, same swim out access, same gorgeous hot tub terrace, which you'll see in a moment. The difference comes down to the perks. Xhale Club adds exclusive lounge access with complimentary breakfast and afternoon snacks, personalized concierge service, upgraded in-room amenities, and a private check-in and check-out experience. You'll also get a private restaurant for breakfast and lunch, access to the exclusive pools and lounges, pool concierge service, an upgraded mini bar, and upgraded bath amenities. Allure guests still get the incredible unlimited luxury all-inclusive experience. It really comes down to how VIP you want to feel. Now, here's the moment you've been waiting for. Step outside onto your private furnished terrace. This suite gives you direct access to the pool along with your very own private hot tub. The swim out access is what really sets this room apart. Like I said, you literally step off your terrace and you're in the pool. So there you have it, the Junior Suite Swim Out at Breathless Punta Cana. Thanks so much for watching. If you're planning a trip here, drop your questions in the comments and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss the full resort tour coming up next.